Hey everyone, I'm in my craft room as you can see, and I've been here all day, literally. Because I wake up with the idea that today will be the day that I make a silver clay ring from scratch. Because I love to create things, right? And of course, I watch many videos, and they look super quick and easy. Like I don't know how the things go behind the scenes. So after watching many videos, it looks so quick and easy. So I'm like, of course I can make that. I went for. I went to the craft room. I made my coffee, and all inspired with the idea that I'm gonna make a nice boho style ring, something like that, with the silver clay and those beautiful stone. I had everything. I had my tools. I I flatted out and I followed the directions. I follow every single instruction on all the videos I watch. They say use wax paper and place it on the mandrel and start working in there. That thing, the clay didn't want to stay. I was trying to put it on and bloop, and keep on falling and falling and falling. So finally I got it. And then once I thought I got it, I had it. I didn't record that because I was struggling. Everything fall and splash like this got mush. 2 hours of my work is gone. But like I say, I'm not a quitter. So I went back with the regular paper instead, like copy paper. And I went and I did that. And it's dry again. I did the ring again. And everything got stuck. Like never came out. I get it out like this. And then the ring was stuck in there. No matter how much I tried to squish it, didn't come out. So ended up breaking the entire ring. At that point, I was like, should I keep on trying? Or I just leave this in here and I'm gonna get another coffee or something. No, I should have done that, but no, I didn't. I went back, and this time I grabbed a piece of wax paper and then a piece of paper. Listen, I don't know if this works for everybody, but this one works for me today, for my first time. And then I wrapped tape. I put a lot of tape, so basically covering everything, so I had 3 layers. Wax paper, copy paper, and the tape. And I started working on it, and I was like, okay, I did it again. And I set the ring, and I was able to finish it. And so the main part is when you get it out. I was able to get it out, and I start squishing again like you're supposed to do in order to get the ring out. And everything worked out perfect. Everything came out perfect. And I was like, I should have known this. Nobody talk about that on the videos. I guess everybody has their own secrets. So I was actually happy at the end that I was able to get the ring out. Not perfect, but it's a ring until I figured out the rest. So that was the story for today. So now I had to wait 24 hours to the clay dry, and then I can use the torch and fire and then polish, and we're supposed to have a beautiful, magnificent ring. So stay tuned. Tomorrow I will share with you. Ciao. It's done. That's the ring. Took me forever. Hello everybody, good morning. And here we go again with positive attitude as always. So let's say hello to our friend. Yeah, he's waiting for us. So we're gonna have a positive and awesome results today. So let me take you with me. Hello friend, we met again. As you can see, we have it done, so we cannot burn that yet. We're gonna do this part first. Alright my friends, 20 years later, we have a ring without a stone, but nothing we cannot fix. We can just put some glue on it and put a new stone, brand new. But we have a ring. We made We made it. Do you know why I'm recording this process and I'm sharing with you guys? It's because this ring is gonna be the one I will remember one day, and I will be saying, look, that's how I started. Because you know what? I'm gonna make beautiful rings. I will. And I will have my name on it. So I want to take you guys to join my journey and enjoy the process, so you can see me one day have my jewelry store, right? Ha! Positivity attracts positivity. Yeah, it is. So after all the polish and cleaning, we have a chunky, wonky, weird looking ring, but we have a ring, and that was the point, right? We have a ring. So yeah, ciao everybody.